Ito ang Kitchen Pro all stainless steel food tong. At tongs are one of the most useful and versatile cooking tools you'll find in a kitchen. Alam nyo, mahirap pag wala tayong nagagamit na tongs kasi kahit sa frying, sa pag-ihaw, ganyan, importante to. They are used for a variety of tasks. Flipping, pati yung plating, yung pag-garnish, removing cooked food from boiling water. Mga importante yan, and handling hot food from the oven or grill. Kaya importante ang tongs, whether stainless steel or meron din itong silicone. No? Gamit na yan. Matibay talaga. So, ito yung Kitchen Pro food tongs natin. And they can handle deep frying, baking, hot temperatures, steaming, okay? At ito po ay designed with thicker steel, kaya premium to, no? Itong all stainless steel. Meron din yung may silicone. Mahusay yung silicone at may gripping and locking motion, no? So this is really built to last and made for high performance. Talagang ang Kitchen Pro ay inyong culinary standard. Truly the culinary standard. So, check us out. Dalawin nyo kami dito sa Cafe Isabel. May outlet shop kami na puro Kitchen Pro. At meron tayong online, makakapag-order kayo online. 3 ways. You can go to kitchenpro.collections, okay? Or kitchenpro.com.ph, or you can go to Kitchen Pro Last Mall, or you can go to Kitchen Pro Shopee Mall. So, malapit yan sa lahat. Major department stores, we carry that. Ang Kitchen Pro talaga, napakahusay at patuloy po ang aking research para makapagbigay ng mahusay na mga gamit. Not only pang bahay, pero pang restaurants, pang hotels. Yan ang Kitchen Pro.